So one of the best ways to become a really good programmer, literally unstoppable, like seriously, I'm not exaggerating, I'm serious. And this is something not everybody's gonna tell you, but I'll tell you right now. One of the craziest things in programming is that you don't have to follow structure. You never have to follow structure. You can go from there to there to there. Anyway, so one of the best ways to become a really good programmer is, let's start with zero, okay? You write the main task, okay? Once you have written the main task, you're gonna divide it into subtasks. You might have the main task and then 10 subtasks under that, okay? Started with number 1, going all the way to 10, okay? Now that you have the list of subtasks, the craziest thing starts here. You can basically, and literally, I'm serious, you can literally start from task number 10 in programming. You don't have to start with task number 1, 2, 3 and go in order. You literally don't have to, okay? If for some reason you're blocked with number 1, you don't want to just sit there whole day, just trying to figure that out. You need to show progress, right? And the best thing you can do is kind of just completely skip that step number 1. But you can only do that once you have put together a list of subtasks. So you can just skip the point number 1, go to point number 10 or point number 8. Maybe to get to point number 8, you do need to write some dummy tests or inject some dummy data because you don't have the data because you didn't did the task number 1, which would provide you the data to inject into task number 10, right? So maybe you need to write something, a test or a dummy data. But now you have kind of skipped the step number 1 completely. Step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. You have skipped all those tests and you're not blocked, After that point number 10 is done, you can jump back to maybe point number 5, point number 4, and then you can kind of go upwards. And this is one of the best techniques you can learn actually as a programmer. Try to find a way to not be stuck at one single task. You should be able to jump from there to there. And this way you will always make progress. At the end of the day, you will have something to show for. You won't be that type of person like, oh, I've been stuck on this task for a whole day and I haven't made any progress. You don't want to be like that, right? So write the subtasks and try to figure out if you're stuck with number 2 and you don't understand number 2, let the people know I don't understand number 2 and give me some more information. Meanwhile, you go and work on number 3, 4, 5. Write your code in certain way. And this is kind of an art. You're not going to just get this right the first time, but once you do get right, you'll make unbelievable progress. You'll not be a person who people will think bad about, like this guy just gets stuck and he just stay a whole day. You won't be that type of person, and you don't want to be that type of person anyway. So best of luck.